Havana, na, na. What's up, traders? Good to see you again. Good to see you again. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Oh my God, the week has come to an end. Tell me, do you have any traders that have locked in some crazy moves today? Tell me, how has your day been? Alex, good to see ya. Heather, good to see ya. Junkie, good to see ya. Mackenzie. Mackenzie is a nice name, guys. Tell me, guys, how has your day been? I really had a great day. Guys, I really had a perfect day. I would say great would be an understatement. I really had a beautiful day. And whenever I get to talk about my day, it actually gives me joy because it was really a beautiful day. So traders, tell me, how has your day been? How has your day been? Do you have any traders that locked in some moves? We all know trading, it's a skill that you build over time. So the more you're consistently showing up, the better your skill you're gonna get at trading. Juki from Jamaica. Bomboclat. I can't talk about Jamaica without talking about Bomboclat. Jerome, good to see ya. I'm seeing someone from Canada. Good to have you. Fact Files, you love me. I love you too, guys. Welcome to the Trading Assembly. Chris, good to see you. Guys, where are you locked in from? Where are you locked in from? Mark your attendance. Tell me where you're locked in from. Prince, good to see ya. That's me, Empire. Person, good to see ya. Good to have you all traders in the building. This is a trading assembly where we're here to learn at the same time share trading experiences, because why not? I mean, trading is all about that. You could just learn something from someone's trading experience. So traders that move the market, share with us, how was your trading session? How was your trading session? I'm pretty scared of trading. Oh my God. But that is something that is very normal and common when it comes to trading, because when you are most beginner traders, I mean, we all know if you're on a real market, sometimes it is scary emotions. But the more you keep on being consistent, guys, those are the things that have to go. Because if you're looking at the market every single day, there is a way you just stop fearing the market. But trading is all about taking the risk. So you have to also know, if I'm to become a better trader, I have to take on the risk. If you're not willing to take the risk when it comes to trading, then trading is not for you. Guys, I'm doing well. I had a great day. Today was one of those days I really hung out with some old friends, and they were really quite funny with their stories. It's always nice to catch up with old friends. So I had some few hours that I did there. All right. I see you, Aiden. You're locked in. Welcome to the trading assembly. Do you have any traders that looks at their charts today? Guys, you all know we are locked in for life as long as the markets are moving. So if you are not really doing it, I don't know what you're up to, because the best way you can really get a better trading skill is by being consistent with it. Consistency is one thing that changed my trading for me. So if you're not really showing up consistently, then trading may take some time. Consistency is going to shorten your journey. That's one thing I can tell you. It's shorten your journey. What would have taken you about a year or 2 years, it can come to about 6 months. You're locked in for the chat today, of course. We're locked in. All the indicators, guys, I use them with the default settings. All the indicators, I use them with the default settings. I'm still practicing on demo. That's okay. Just keep on practicing. Just make sure you don't lose that edge. And if you have built a certain level of consistency in your trading, try so much to avoid breaking that consistency, because sometimes it's so hard to get back if you really take those breaks. I'm improving day by day. I mean, guys, that's what I want to always hear. That's what I always want to hear. That you're moving, you're locked in, you're improving. That's how it should be. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. We are here to learn. Share your trading experience. How has your day been? You light me up inside like the 4th of July. Whenever you're around, I always seem to smile. When you're the reason why I dancing in the mirror, singing in the shower. Good to see you, Hadij. Guys, some names are hard for me to pronounce. Don't come for me if I don't read your name well, but I see you all. I see you all. Carl, good to see you. Nick B, good to see ya. Of course, when it comes to trading, finding your entry, it starts with your strategy. Yeah, so you have to be following your trading strategy to get a good entry. We all know my strategy is price action, so it is what I really base on to get an entry. Singing in the shower. La, 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 la. Singing in the mirror. Cedric, good to see you. Good to see you all, traders. Feel free to ask any trading question. Let us lock in these moves tonight. Let us lock in these moves because we have to get the bag. If you're not getting it, I don't know what I'm doing. Like the 4th of July. The reason why. Sellers are onto something. Look at this crazy momentum from them. Let's see if they are gonna maintain it. See if they are gonna keep dropping these markets. This was some crazy momentum. I can't live without. This is a continuation trade, guys. Market structure shifted bearish. And we all know if you're in a bearish market, you can easily catch on continuation trade when the market pulls back, doesn't take out the most recent high, and it gives you a bearish confirmation, signaling that the market is getting back to its original trend. She got her own thing, that's why I love her. Miss Independent. She got her own thing. Miss Independent. Yes, Structure is still bearish, so I'm still assuming my bias is still bearish until the market takes out the most recent high, pulls back, takes out the most recent high. That's when I'll shift my bias. So let's see if, and that I would want to see that structure break with a candle closing above that. If it's not just a single wick, that is not enough confirmation for me. It has to be a candle closing above. If you don't see that, then you keep your bias bearish until you see those moves. You know, when it comes to market structure, if you can follow that simple rule that makes market structure valid, you're going to find yourself having more better confirmed and more better trade confirmations than just taking market structure with a single with a candle wick. Nick B, yeah, we are moving, guys. We are gonna be moving tonight. So hard. Cameroon, good to see ya. Karspa, good to see ya. Hey. Yes, so as we are still moving, this is still a bearish market. Structure is so much confirmed as a bearish market. And market structure in a bearish market, it is series of lower highs and lower lows. House of Hard, you're seeing that because of the YouTube time lag. So while you're here, focus on asking trading questions and also staying locked in on the chat so that if I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. In your place on it with my own name on it. On it, persuade on it. All right. Seems like buyers are really coming in hard. So let us cruise with them. Let us cruise with them. Oh my goodness. We are getting some price rejection here. Oh my god. My entry is taken out. So let us watch out and see if this is going to shift to a bullish market. But by just looking at the most recent high and the low, structure is still confirmed bearish until we get a candle closure above the high. That's when we are going to shift our buyers to a bullish market. So let's see if buyers are going to really shift that for us. Loyal to my last breath, but I'm still riding even when the wheels off. And I never told me that you can walk away. That's why I keep my eyes wide. That's why I keep a side eye. Waiting for you again. With the mad black paint on him. Hoping that the niggas don't hate or make me up this on it with my own name on it. Like a name on it. Persuade on it. Got some niggas off and they make some changes. They was on the same shit. I wanna get this money, stay in my lane shit. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. We are here to learn. We're here to learn, so feel free to ask any trading question. The best way you can see a valid bullish engulfing candlestick pattern is the previous candle is red or it is bearish, then it is followed by a big green candle or bullish candle that is covering both its body and its wick. So if you see the candle is not covered, the previous candle, its wicks are not covered completely, then it's not a valid bullish or bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Yes, you can always see those candlestick patterns. They are always appearing on the chart, but the best way you can trade with candlestick patterns, not only just bullish engulfing, but also other candlestick patterns, it is seeing them in key areas. That is the best way you can use them to your advantage. So whenever I'm going to really take a trade based on a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, I would want to see it in a bullish market. I would want to see it after the market has pulled back and it prints that candlestick pattern. That is a sign that the market is getting into the bullish continuation. Or you can use it in a bearish market when the market breaks structure to the downside. We all know after a break of structure, we anticipate a pullback in the opposite direction. So if you see a structure break in a bearish market, and the market also prints that bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, you're free to take that pullback trade because that is a confirmation that the market is actually getting into the pullback. The first confirmation you see is the market broke structure to the downside. And after that, if you see a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, it can just be another confirmation to take buys in the opposite direction. Me and the girl in the title skirt. Okay, let's move. Let's see how these sales are closing. Oh my goodness, buyers are really overplaying here. I'm glad sellers have given us some crazy Marabuzo candlestick pattern. And guys, I told you whenever you see Marabuzo candlesticks, it's a sign of momentum. So if it comes on the charts and it's red like now, this is a sign that sellers are really coming in. That's why I took this sell. So let's see how it goes. Scarfing so tighter. Agala. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. We are here to learn. My strategy is simple: price action, and with price action, I consider a few confluences like first understanding the market I'm dealing with, understanding the market structure, and also my entries are refined with candlestick patterns. Nearly going at the tide of stir. So another one show you. Oh my god. The market has really played me here, guys. It has taken out my buys by still heading up. It has really played me. Damn. Do you trade every day or whenever you have time? Guys, I trade every day because I am a full-time trader, but also because of the discipline I've built. I want to be trading consistently. Yeah, not because I have time. I do trade because I'm a full-time trader, and it has to be done consistently, because the more you really lock in into trading and you build discipline, you'd want to maintain it. And also consistency is one thing that is going to help you build discipline, trading discipline. So like, guys, I always tell you that times I would, for example, I would trade today, then it will take me like, okay, let us take it in a way that I was trading on Monday, then I came back like today. All those days in between there that I skipped, it just affects your trading skill, it affects your trading psychology, it affects you in a certain way. So that means if you want to become a trader, you have to really build discipline whereby you have to show up every day. And like I always tell you, there are some things you're going to see on the charts because you're all consistent, and it's only you who can explain those moves that you're taking on the charts. So that's what consistency really gets you. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. How long have you been trading this strategy? Honestly, price action has always been my strategy from the beginning. Actually, price action is the first strategy that I really got to learn as a trader. And actually, my first account, I was trading with price action. But in between there, we all know as traders, in between there are times you want to test other strategies. There are times when you're over risking. There are times that are crazy. But after trying out different strategies, I had to come back home, because actually when I set out to trade, I was very profitable with my strategy and very disciplined. But there are times when you get crazy, and I tried out other strategies. I just came back to my first trading strategy because it was really moving well. The only difference this time around, after trying out other strategies, that I had to zero down to price action. I got back to price action, but decided to get more improved. Like if I'm looking at market structure, I do not just want to look at series of higher highs and higher lows for a bullish market. I would want to see series of higher highs and higher lows as market structure, but still that structure break, I want to see it with candle closure. At first, I wasn't paying that much attention with candle closure. It was just break of structure. But if you see structure break with a candle closing above that structure break, it makes it more valid compared to just a structure break you're taking with a candle wick. So, when it comes to trading, you just keep on refining your strategies. You just keep getting better as you also keep on locking in. The other thing I really improved with price action, it is candlesticks. At first I wasn't really paying much attention to the candle wicks. I wasn't really paying much attention sometimes with the taking entries in key areas, especially with candlestick patterns. For example, I would just see a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern printed on the chart. Then I would just want to take a trade like buys and still find myself taken out. So also trading your candlestick patterns in key areas, it's really important because every single time you're going to be seeing a candlestick pattern printed on the chart, but you would want to be really trading on key areas. And with price action, our key areas are always the highs and the lows in the market. So knowing valid market structure, it helps you to know the turning points in the market, and those turning points is where you're going to be looking for your candlestick patterns that you can make entries on and move. In the morning when I'm waking up, even though they tell me that I'm crazy. Okay, I'm seeing someone talking about the donation I dropped by. You dropped a donation, check it out. Of course, I'm going to be checking it. I'll see it. Guys, if you put in the donation, you'll definitely be on the queue. All you have to do is to log in. I want to solid attempts. Take them carefully. Of course, Nick B. You know how we do it. We are always locking in those moves. Arrow Dream, good to see you. Welcome on the trading assembly. Honestly, I don't understand what sellers are trying to do here. They have taken out my buys. Damn. Guys, let us try out another pair. This one is really getting funny. Let us first look at gold. It's really looking clean. Gold is really looking better. Once you join the trading assembly, you never late, you're just on time. Someone is asking, how do you find the valid highs and lows? That's a very, very, very good question you should always ask yourself. Whenever you're on the charts, you have to know, because not every high or every low in the market really makes sense. You would want to see those highs that were strong enough to push the market down and lead to a break of structure for bearish markets. And for bullish markets, you want to see those lows that were strong enough to push the market high and lead to the break of structure to the top side. Let us first catch on these buys. This is a continuation, guys. You can see structure is already confirmed bullish. Structure is bullish. So I'm anticipating more buyers to move up because the market tried to pull back and failed to take out a low. I love it when we fight just to make up. Oh my goodness, crazy. I'm taken out. I'm going to buy again because I'm anticipating more buyers in the market. My bias is still bullish and I'm anticipating more buyers. All right. This has really moved for us. Looking great. Thank you, guys. I mean, I love those compliments. Just a girl, I love the compliment. I love it when we fight just to make up. To make it again. I love it when we fight just to make up. Now let me talk to you, baby. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using, guys, and its pocket options. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. Yeah, first drop for me some likes. If you're enjoying the stream. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be dropping more content about my strategy. All you have to do is to subscribe and wait. Smart and friendly. All right. That is really nice, Godwin. That's really nice, honestly. That's so nice. That's so kind of you. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. We are here to learn. Someone was asking about how to get the valid highs and lows. To be honest, if you really struggle with getting the right highs and lows in the market, the best thing you can start with is to first map out every high and every low, every turning point that feels like it's a high or a low to you. Always map out. As the market is moving, you're going to start noticing that there are some highs and some lows that really didn't make a difference, but there are those points that you will see that the market is respecting, and those are going to be the valid highs and the lows. That's the easiest way you can start with if you're practicing with market structure. Far away. I'm using the indicator with the default settings. I'm gonna do what I got to do. Ivy, you're tempting me. Guys, I mean, we still have time to the donation. So if you want to be part of the donation, Cedric, you can use the donation link down in the description. And you're surely gonna be added on the queue for tonight's participants. Crazy. Trying to know the trend. Are you asking for the trend reversing or the trend reversing? Godwin, please make your question more clear. Let us first add this. So this is a continuation entry. So all those traders that love taking continuation trades, this is for you because you can see structure is bearish. It is easier to get this continuation when you are trying to follow the trend. How do you get a trade reversal? To be honest, one thing about the markets, you'll never know what is going to happen next. That is the honest truth. And if we all knew what is going to happen next, then trading wouldn't be as much risky as it is, because that's the risk that comes with trading. You can never know what is going to happen next in the market. The best thing you can do is to analyze the market based on what you're seeing. You take the trade. Whatever happens after you have executed, it's none of your business. You just have to wait, because that is the risk that comes with trading. But if you're asking how do you know the market is going to change the trend, it is simple. If you are in a bearish market like now, we expect the market to be going down in a bearish market. So if the market gives you a pullback opportunity, then it takes out the most recent high. That is the first signal that the market is getting into a reversal. Because, oh my goodness, buyers have done me dirty here. Crazy, damn. Been played here. The market is really giving us some clear market structure, honestly. This structure is clear. Let us watch and see. Important. The market is really looking great, so we are about to start the donations. So if you're really locked in for the donations, let me see you comment ready. So just use me, baby. Alright, God know you. So just use me, baby. Cedric, I enrolled for the context. All right. If you did, surely your name will be on the queue. Yeah, guys, let us wish luck to all our participants for tonight. All our donation participants for tonight. Let us wish them luck. So I see. Use me, baby. There are very many candlestick patterns, but the ones I really focus on whenever I'm trading, simple, a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. We all know a bullish. Hey, damn. We all know engulfing candlestick patterns. They can show you both continuation trends and also they can show you when the market is getting in a reversal. All you have to do is to know when to look for them on the charts and you apply them. So you can use a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern as a continuation. As a continuation, to enter a continuation trade is in a bullish market when it pulls back, doesn't take out the most recent low, prints a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. That is a signal that the market is getting into a continuation. So you take the buys and you can use it as a reversal move when you're in a bearish market. Market breaks structure to the top, to the downside. It prints a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. That is a sign that the market is getting into a reversal or a pullback. So you take buys in a bearish market based on that as a signal. And the opposite is true for a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. You already know I'm in the fast lane from Mayor to Tokyo. I gave my donation already. Okay. I can see tonight we have active participants. I can see tonight you guys are fully locked in. In a few, we are gonna get into the donations. Papito, good to see ya. The other kind of stick patterns I always look out for and trade with are pin bars. Pin bars usually show you that the market is getting into a reversal. So if you see a bearish pin bar on top of a bullish trend after a break or structure to the top side, it can be the first signal that the market is getting into a pullback. And if you see that pin bar is followed by a red bearish candle closing below it, that is a more better confirmation showing you momentum and strength from sellers. So you don't hesitate to execute. Oh my goodness. Crazy momentum from buyers here. Crazy momentum here. Let us cruise with the buyers. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. I'm at Tokyo. I'm so fancy. You're Hi, Gigi White. Good. Hi, Gigi White. Buyers, you're into something. Someone comment to the moon because this is where we're heading, guys. The way buyers are really moving here, it seems like they are taking this market to the moon. Someone comment to the moon. Look at this. Buyers are taking this somewhere to the up to the moon. Got my heart beating away. Boom, 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 baby. Baby. You guys are crazy. So now we are returning to Earth. Because we are going to the moon, now we are returning to Earth. No, if it's going down, then it's going down in the deer. Interesting. You're so crazy. Ah. Do you trade only one time frame? When it comes to trading, trading is easier when you try to build consistency. So that means it's like you have the same time frames, you have the same strategy, same trading session. It's always easier because you get used to a particular chart. So let us secure our profits. Let us secure our profit for tonight. Then we get into the donations. Wishing luck to all our participants for tonight. So let us look in for Noah. To conquer, survive, I came to win, to survive. Our first attempt is in. One more to go. Few more to go. The everyday dad, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Where are you locked in from? Higher. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. We are here to learn. We are so locked in for the donations. So if you want to be part of the donations, it's simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that and you join the participants for tonight. We are looking for our second attempt. You're locked in my heart. Okay. We are so locked in on the chat. Jason Kane. Isn't I to conquer, to ride, to survive? Right. We're in with our second attempt, and this is a continuation trade. Structure has been bullish. Market is going to the moon. Ready, fine. I came to. But came to win. Mm-mm. All right, guys, let me see you type congratulations to our participant. Let me see you type congratulations to Noah. This is so locked in. Let me see you type congratulations. 2 middle fingers for the haters. Life's only getting greater. Straight up from nothing we go. I want to see more congratulations to Noah, guys. I want to see more congratulations to our participants. On to Hadi. Too many opinions for the hater. Trading is a skill that you can build. So the more you really consistently lock in, the better your skill is. You're gonna get at it. Yeah. Oh my god. I don't want to see any buyers playing on my entry. Dang, what was that? Okay, guys, let us refine and try again. We all know if I take a loss on the first attempt, I refine and try again. So let us do that. My day wants to me the things for the haters. We are so locked in, so 2 more attempts to make. Guys, I need you wishing luck to Hardy. Okay, our first attempt is in. Distance, we so good right now. Legends is true. Okay, sellers are onto something here. Let us watch and see if we can get a move. Sellers are really dropping this, so let us lock in these cells here. Let us lock in these cells. Just this is a continuation trend. So let's see how it goes. Oh my god. Damn. Oh my god. My second attempt is taken out. Damn. I'm sorry about that, Hadi. Sorry about that. Crazy. That was a crazy takeout. We move on to Rovian. Two attempts to lock in. Oh my god, where are my cells being taken out? This is a clear bearish market. Damn. Let us refund and try again. I'm seeing someone is commenting the market has no feelings. That is true, that's true, that's true. You're not lying. I agree with you 100%. But of course, it's always the traders that have emotions. The market doesn't care. So I'm taking these sales again because the market is clearly bearish and this is a continuation trade. Okay, we are finally having some movements in. And I'm adding more cells again. I'm just following the structure. This is a clear candlestick pattern. Oh my god. The market has really played me hard here, guys. The market has played me hard here. I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, Trevian. Next time better. We need to lock into items for our next participant. The market is still dropping down. The market is still dropping down. Sellers are really onto this thing. Sellers are doing their thing. So let us look into items for Virela. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Whenever you're in a bearish market, you can either take pullback trades, those are buys, or you can take continuation trades, and those are sells. You take pullback trades after the market has broke structure to the downside. Take another most recent low, giving you a bullish confirmation, that is giving you bullish momentum, or a bullish candlestick pattern. Then you take on those buys. So let's see how these buys close. I mean, we are in a pullback entry. All right, beautiful, beautiful. One more attempt to go. The smell of your skin lingers on me now. We're in with our second atom. Oh! The moment I see two candles closing above my buys, I just be anticipating the best out of the entry. So let me see you type congratulations, guys. Let me see you type congratulations. 2 attempts are in. And you know how we do it. I hope you know it's personal, myself and I. You know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do that. A big girl now, and big girls don't cry. Don't cry, Feel free to ask any trading questions, share your trading experience. How was your day? And all our participants tonight, I know you're gonna be cruising. You're gonna be cruising this weekend. Must be nice. Life will seek the dark ahead if I stay. I hope you know, I hope you know. It's the sun. Getting over with my life. I'll be a girl now. Jackson cards. I'll be your best friend. We'll move on to our next. We just need to lock in 3 attempts for that song. This is a continuation trend. Market structure is still bearish. So let us look in these cells. I hope you know. It's fast. Guys, please don't spam comments. Don't spam comment, guys. Just send one single message. I'll surely see it. Casper, your name is surely on the queue. Then your name is surely on the queue. You're gonna be seeing it anytime. Okay. I agree with that. Cameron. You just have to have risk management. So it's always you against the market. Let me see. The market is really moving well, guys. Come on. It's really giving us clear structure. Sellers are really so in control. And until I see a pullback that takes out the most recent high, that's when I'm going to shift my buyers. And like I always tell you guys, whenever you are on your execution time frame, the first thing you should consider doing is understanding the market you're in, but also mapping out the most recent high and most recent low. It's going to be better for you because you're gonna be seeing where the market is most likely to head, either to take out a high or to take out a low. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations, our participant. Just like nicotine. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. All I need. All I need. I recommend. It's like a whole way that you move it. All right. You guys are crazy. I wonder how you come up with those names. Ah, economic feeling. Good to see ya. That's a crazy name, to be honest. How do you come up with such a name? Economic feeling. Okay. Guys, let us first switch a pair. Let us first check out some other markets. I want to be looking in these moves without hesitation. But I need to know, how do you come up with such a name, economic feeling? You're feeling economic.
I hope you learn to make it on your own. And if you love yourself, just know you'll never be alone. I hope that you get everything you want and that you chose. I hope that it's the realest thing that you ever know.
We get pretty girls and pretty and everything.
$1 million dreams, having $1 million dreams. And when you get it on, just remember one day. Remember one day that one man could change the world. That one man could change the world. All I wanted was $100 million.
All right. I love that. Guys, I'm just only curious. There are some names that get you curious. So you love listening to economic and new channels. That's nice. It makes sense. Makes sense. You love yourself, so you'll never be alone. These are the trades I love taking, where I execute and immediately flies into my direction. This is where I want to be. This is where I want to be.
My grandma told me if you write your name in stone, you'll never get the White House. I granted out that black hole and performed up at the White House, standing next to Shakira. You traded stories and laugh. I said you're not the only one I know got rich wearing masks. Where I'm from, I swear they broke. They need way more than the cash. We need more than what you have, and then we need more than that. But how supposed
Just one more item to go for our participants. Guys, please don't spam comments. Don't spam comments.
kids and the kids' kids, and she did it right. Taught me how to love, taught me not to cry. When I die, I hope you teach me how to fly. All my life you've been the angel in the sky. Saying I
Hope you learn to make it on your own, and if you love souls, then you'll never be alone.
hope that you get everything you want and that you chose. Hopefully it's the realest thing that you ever know.
Hope you get a pretty girls, a pretty and everything.
$1,000,000 dreams have $1,000,000 dreams. When you get it all,
Just remember one thing.
remember one thing. One man can change the world. One man can change the world. That's all good. I love you, Grandma. Bye.
You smell that? That's ambition cooking in a broken kitchen.
Our final attempt to in. I want to see sellers dropping this down, 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 down.
Beauty out of struggle.
Okay, this is already moving well.
Roses from the pavement.
Let me see you type congratulations, guys. Let me see you type congratulations to Novara. Let me see you type congratulations to our participant. We are fully locked in. Nah, you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Set your face down for me. I wanna take a picture. I never wanna hear you quiet, so I write songs for you. We move on to our next participant, Red Star. 3 attempts to go. See how it is. And I believe, yes, I believe. When is my guys? The queue is still on. The queue is still on, and we are still locked in for the donations. All you have to do is to wait. Surely your name is on the queue, and it's gonna be traded. I never wanna hear you quiet, so I write songs for you. Feel free to ask any trading question. Someone is asking my strategy. It is simple, pure price action. I do not complicate things. And whenever you're really trading, look forward not to complicating things. Keep it simple. So I keep it simple by looking at first understanding the market I'm dealing with. Looking at market structure. And I find my entries with candlestick patterns. First attempt was a refund, so it counts. Let's get into our second attempt. Okay, our final attempt for Cerveste Seresta. We're really moving smoothly. We're really moving smoothly. I love the structure I'm looking at. Sidivai. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to our participants. Let me see you type congratulations. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do that. We move on to our next participant, economic feeling, guys. Someone wish luck to our participant, our next participant. They are so locked in, so locked in. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using, guys. Il est bon, il est chaud. Deliver. First attempt is in, 3 more to take. Ah. Guys are crazy. Sorry about that. I love such entries where I execute and immediately fly into my directions. This is what buyers have done for me here. Thank you, guys. Two more attempts to go. Feel free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. We are always here every night moving the markets because we are so locked in for life. We go down together. Oh my goodness, sellers have played me. Sellers have taken me out. I'm sorry about that. Economic feeling. Our third attempt has been taken out. Crazy, dang. I'm sorry about that. Next time better. We go down together. We need to lock in for no lyrics. Let us move on to our next participant. Ivy, can I reduce my risk to two attempts? Why do you want to do that? Why do you want to do that, Nick? Crazy. anyways, but you already submitted. You already submitted the number of attempts you want. Maybe yes, but it will be unfair. It will be unfair. Once you submit, I'll always consider the number of attempts you have submitted. I am really just celebrating life. Okay, let's keep moving and getting more attempts. Whenever you're looking at your charts, you should always remember the questions that you have to always ask yourself is, what market am I looking at? Is market structure confirming that market? Where is the market most likely to head? Where is the most recent high? Where is the most recent low? Where is the most recent structure break? If you are able to ask yourself such questions and you're able to answer them, then you can easily get an entry. Because if I'm looking at a bearish chart, I would want to see market structure moving in a series of lower highs and lower lows. I would want to see where the most recent high is, so that if the market pulls back, I have to anticipate that it's not going to take out the most recent high, because of course we're in a bearish market. And if it does take out the most recent high, I'm going to shift my bias from a bearish market to a bullish market. So that's how you continuously do a market analysis, especially if you're looking at to get an entry. You have to keep on asking yourself, where is the market most likely to head? Then you execute in that anticipation that the market is most likely to go up. And there's always a reason why it's most likely to go up, maybe to take out a high, maybe it's getting into a continuation. So if you're able to answer all that, then you're good to go. You're good to go. Cause I just celebrating life. Have a night because I just celebrate in life. I fight to make every day, not to all the same. Mm-hmm. Happening now because I just celebrating life.
We rise through the night, walk through the fire, reaching for the light. Every scar, every tear,
Interesting, interesting. Let us look in this attempt. Oh my god, guys, let me see type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations to our participants. This really moved well. Let me see type congratulations. And you know how we do it, everything was the participant right away. I mean, push up on me and survive. What I mean, come in the border, be free. Come south in the border with me. I want to see more congratulations, guys. I want to see more congratulations to our participants. So join me this way. We move on to our next participant. Nick B, are you serious about this? Anyways, let me do for you your 2 attempts. Since you're really changing your mind, let us do 2 attempts. Let us do 2 attempts. Man's has really requested hard. He has really requested hard. So let us change for him. Your instinct. Hey. I mean, okay, let us first take these buys here. I'm anticipating more buying momentum just by looking at the candlesticks of buyers printed on the chart and the market structure. This is really showing me my buyers are so strong. Okay. One more item to go for our participant Nick B. They're already taking it up as anticipated. Oh my god, what really happened here? Sellers are so much in control. Oh my goodness, this really flipped so much on me. Oh my god. That was a quick turn. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. Next time better, next time better, next time better. Crazy market. These are the moments in the market I always see, and I know that the market is just being the market because what was that? Crazy momentum, crazy manipulation. Let us move on to our next.
I go to jail tonight. Promise you'll pay my bill. They won't buy my pride. That just ain't up for sale. See all my kindness. Taken for weakness.
Trading is all about taking the risk. And if you're not willing to take on the risk, then trading is not for you. Yeah, it's all about taking the risk. Trading is all about taking the risk, guys. That's why if you want to be part of the market, you have to be trading money you're willing to lose. Losses are part of the game. And that's the mindset. That's the mindset you should keep. Losses are part of the game, and trading is all about taking the risk. No risk, no Ferrari, guys. We all know that. No risk, no Ferrari. One more attempt to take for our participant. It's always about having a probabilistic mindset, and probabilistic mindset is knowing that anything can happen in the market, but you have to take the risk anyways. Okay, guys, let me see type congratulations to our participants. Let me see type congratulations. 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 Hope you're ready, cause I'm a beat up, do you mind? Girl, I know your body, know every cover. We be going on. You know how we do it. Everything goes to the participants account right away, so let's do it. Rise up.
Let me be the one, baby. You deserve that. I know you know. We got together. Remember all this red carpet? Let me be the one, baby. I'ma do that flavor, different flavor, into.
I'ma keep my promise, never treat it like a groupie. Calamari, tinaga, iro, sushi. Take off the scarf if you see it in the mama. I can hold you down, be your friend or your lover. Let us wait for a move. Sibo May with the best, and I tell this back in 05. Dang. Oh my god. Let us refund and try again. Let us refund and try again. 4 more attempts. Crazy market, crazy market. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Baby, you should be happy, my babe. Guys, please don't spam comment. Don't spam comment, guys.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands torn off on niggas so cheap. Being flex so deep, sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bang and now you ballin'. You just took it off a line, no mileage. Wait.
Wow, this is some nice momentum from buyers. Okay. 2 more attempts to go. You're popping, girl. You got it, girl, you got it. Fuck around and give you my last name. Someone comment locked in. Someone comment locked in. I need you guys locked in so that if I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. So someone comment locked in for live, because that's what we are gonna be doing. As long as the markets are still opening, we are gonna be locked in for live. Because why not? Because why not, honestly? Why wouldn't you be locked in for live? And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away. So let me see type congratulations, 4 attempts are fully in. Freaky.
Freaky. I can learn a lot from you. Gotta come teach you. You a little hot girl. You a little sweet. Sweet like caramel, sweet like peach. I can tell you crazy, but she can't even treat me. Seen it on the ground, trying to see that shit and breathe wrong.
The platform I'm using is Pocket Options and oh my god. Let us refund and try again. All right, our second attempt, and I'm already seeing movements in my anticipated direction. Instead of going out and find trouble, I think I ran away sometime. I wanna lay with you till the sunset. Oh my goodness, what are sailors trying to do here? Come on, oh my lord. Damn, this was really so fast. I'm sorry about this. Next time better. I start running. I wanna stay the whole night. Wish that I could let you love me, say. All right, guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to our participants. And let us wish congratulations to all our participants where it went well, all our winners for tonight, and all those that it didn't go well. Next time better. Next time better. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link down in the description for it. I do have a Signal group, and if you want to be added, it is simple. Create an account with my link, send proof to me via Telegram, and I'll surely add you to the Signal group. There's a link down in the description from my Telegram channel. You can join a community of traders. Do not forget to subscribe. I have videos on this channel talking more about my strategy. You can watch them and more are coming up. All you have to do is to lock in. Tonight we have had so many wins and we are going to keep getting better. All you have to do is to be locked in for live. You have to be locked in for life every day, and we're gonna be seeing more and more wins. I'm gonna catch up with you tomorrow, same time. I love you so much. Good night. Bye. I'll be